Today, I transformed Google's never-completed self-driving car, the Firefly. Here are my best designs. When designing, my main consideration was to create a compact futuristic concept that somewhat reflects the Firefly. The first design is a simple, 4-door model. Because of its design, it has reduced air resistance. I transformed the lights from a circular to a teardrop shape. I think this design's simple, stylish, and futuristic. The second design is a 2-seater, resulting in a shorter car length. The car itself is incredibly simple. The element that adds some excitement to the design is the wheel solution. For the lights, I reverted to the original design, but added 2 daytime running light strips, which looks great on the car. The next design is based on the previous one. I wanted to make it sportier, so it has a bold curve on the side. I further transformed the lights, leading to an interesting result. I also wanted a more futuristic design. I retained the side curve from the previous design, but made it more restrained. I made the car door entirely glass, which gave it a futuristic appearance. For this design, I redesigned the lamps to be simpler. Thinking further about the previous design led to this one. It's truly futuristic and sporty. The glass doors became larger, and it also received a LED strip on the edge. The wheel solution turned out incredibly well, and the hubcaps also look superb. However, I ran out of space for the light design, and the round lights looked terrible on it, so they also got a somewhat abstract shape. With my last design today, I wanted to create a real sports car. The side has become quite bold, but I really like this solution. The lights have become much more aggressive, and this was the first design to get front air intakes as well. I bid you farewell with this beautiful design. Let me know in the comments which design you like the most, and what kind of video you'd like to see next. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.